now that our project has been set and saved to the proper folders, I'm going to show you how to create a polygonal plane and project a picture onto it, and then we'll use that picture to trace the contour of the table legs using the EP curve tool. So let's do that. So let's go into our perspective view, the space bar. So we'll go up to Create, Polygon Primitives, Plane. So there's our plane right there. So now I'm just going to rotate this up. So you can either use the rotate tool, or you can go to rotate the x-axis of it and just type in 90 for 90 degrees and hit return, and then that should set that so you're looking at it straight on in your front view. So I want to actually move this up a little bit and go back into my 4-panel view. I want to go down into my front view down here, so I'm going to click and hit enter. And basically how the EP curve tool works is that you're using the tool to place spots on this grid here, and it'll let you draw a NURBS curve. So NURBS are just another way of modeling with Maya. So okay, I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna go ahead and select that and scale it up so that more of the grid squares will show, so I can put a little bit more detail into it. So do that and position it up there and there. Go back into my 4-panel view. So basically you need to go into your hypershade panel. If that's not showing, just go up to panel there and over to the arrow and just click hypershade, and that should be there. So I already did this, but I'm gonna delete that and show you how to do it. So basically I'm gonna click on use a Lambert. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the Lambert there, double click on it, and go over to the attribute editor for the Lambert and click on color, or click on the same row that color is. It's actually this black and white checkerboarded box here. So click on that and it'll bring up a window that will give a bunch of options here. So you're going to want to make sure that this normal is checked there, and you're going to want to press File. So basically this will enable Maya to load up a file for you to use as your reference picture. So I'm going to click on there. So you're going to go to image name and click on this little folder here, and this will let Maya know the folder structure so it can reference your picture. So basically you should have all your pictures in one folder and then just leave them there. If you move them around, Maya's not going to know where you put them, and it won't bring your picture up. So just create a folder and leave them all there. Usually when I create a project, I just create like a master folder, Maya tutorial here, and then just make a little folder in their source images. And then everything picture-wise that I'm going to use for the project, I just stick in there, and it's always there. So okay, I'm going to click on Custom Table Legs and press Open. So this loads it up into my Lambert texture. So I want to go back into the 4-panel view and go back there. So okay, I'm going to make sure that my item is selected. So once that the item I want to project this onto is selected, I'm going to click on to right there, the picture in my hypershader, and right click on that and make sure this is selected, right click on this, and go to a menu that pops up. Once you right click, assign textures materials to selection. So I'm going to press that. And